In this video, we'll be talking about what affiliate marketing is and how you can earn some extra cash. Hey, what's up? I'm Mark Terry Bellini, and I'm all about achieving financial independence through real estate investing and online business. So if you're interested in achieving financial freedom for yourself, be sure to like and subscribe, and you will not miss a thing. So there are many different ways to make money online, and one of the most popular ways these days is affiliate marketing. And what that is basically you're an affiliate of a company. So affiliate essentially means you're connected to a company and you're basically helping them advertise for a certain product or service or whatever it may be. So you're an affiliate of that company. And so kind of break down kind of how this works a little bit. So I'm kind of showing the computer here. So basically what happens is you can go to any number of websites, and there's a lot of them out there. And so one of them, for example, is Amazon, and it's called Amazon Associates. So you can just basically pop into Google and just type in, Amazon affiliate program, and then you'll come across this page, Amazon Associates. And basically what you do is you sign up, and there might be an approval process. It might be immediate. It might be a couple days or something, but you basically sign up. And then from there, you can search Amazon's entire online store for products, and then you can get a link, and that link is specific to your account. And so when someone clicks on that link and they go and purchase something, you get a small commission, whatever that product may be. Now, if the product is a little bit more expensive, you'll get a little bit more money. If it's small, if you're recommending like a toothbrush or something small, it's not going to be very much money, but some money nonetheless. So that's kind of how it works. And there's a number of these affiliate sites. So here is Amazon Associates. That's a big one. Another big one is ClickBank. This is another big one. Some other ones here just for reference, and there's a lot of these. Like I can't even tell you how many there are. But these are just some ones off the top of my head. CJ Affiliate stands for Commission Junction down here. They've been around for a while. There's another one here, Flex Offers, and here's one here. Just even eBay has one. And so, like for an example, like let's say you're really into the sporting goods industry or hunting and fishing and things like that. All you have to do is just go in here and type in, let's say, think of a store that people will go to online, like maybe like Bass Pro Shops. You can Bass Pro Shop affiliate program. Just type that in, hit enter, and here it is right there. You just click there. Here they have their own affiliate program. You can sign up and you get 5% of sales and a cookie duration. So what that means is if someone clicks on your link and they look at the site and then they leave, and they go to the site maybe 5 days later or whatever, and they buy something, you will still get that commission up to 14 days. So it kind of stores in their browser for a couple weeks. So they don't have to purchase right away, but if they purchase within that time frame, then you can still get your commission. Now that's going to be different depending on the website. So I think Amazon is something like, I don't know, 2 or 3 days maybe. It's not that much. So if you're interested in a certain product or something, if it's not on Amazon, you can just kind of search around and see if there's an affiliate program for that website or for that company. So basically what you want to do is, if you're going to do this, you want to think about the product that you want to market, or the niche that you're interested in. So like I said, it could be like fishing, or let's say you're really into real estate and you want to talk about some real estate courses that are available out there, and you can go on to ClickBank and find some kind of like course on there and make probably a little bit more money. So I'll kind of go through the steps here of how it works. So let's say you want to sign up for ClickBank. All you have to do is sign up, and it's really simple. You just sign up, and then you get to your dashboard here. And then let's say you want to see what they have. So you kind of go over here to the affiliate marketplace. So you click on that, opens up this, and you can find anything you want in here. Like they have all these categories. So you can just click on one, let's say business investing, and you can see like the average conversion rate here. So, and some of them are pretty big. So here's like a crypto mastermind product of some kind, and if the average conversion for you is almost $800. So that's huge. Other ones are smaller, so you got about 30 bucks, 100. And depending on the category, you're going to get more or less. So it might be less for, I don't know, languages. Yeah, so it's like 20 bucks. See education, a little less, 4 bucks, 5 bucks, 4 bucks. So it just depends on the category you're in. But what you want to do is basically, let's say you like this one here, you just kind of click on it, and you can put whatever you want in here, whatever, this could be like whatever account you have. You can just make it up, whatever it is, and you don't have to put anything in the tracking ID. And you just hit this generate hop links button, and it provides a link for you. And you take that link and you promote it, basically, and you can promote it any number of ways. So as far as finding customers, that's the biggest challenge. Like if this was easy, everybody would do it. And what makes this difficult is finding the customers. And there's a number of different ways you can do this. I got my notes here. So, I mean, one, also it depends like where you're posting it. Some affiliate programs do not allow you to post links in certain places. Like, let's say you create this PDF and it's this whole huge guide of something in your niche. Amazon does not like you to place affiliate links within that PDF. They want you to keep all the links online, like on a website or something. So you have to look into the fine type for what they allow. But generally speaking, you can kind of get your link and you can post it on, maybe a Facebook, on your Facebook page, or you can create an ad and actually do advertising and paid advertising and put products on there. And obviously you have to pay to put the products online, but if people are buying it, then you're gonna, make money. So there's that. You can do email, so you can basically email friends and family, or if you have like an email list for your specific niche, you can email them, put products in there. You can also go on YouTube and create videos. So let's say there's a very specific product that you have tried and you want to talk about it. You can create a video about it and then recommend it. Kind of go over it and feature it and talk about it and all the benefits and all of that, and put the link basically in the description of the video. People click that and get your commission. Another way is to create a website. And this is a little bit more involved because you have to learn how to create a website or hire somebody to create a website for you, and then just start pumping out content. Basically, it's going to be articles, probably videos embedded in the articles as well. Promoting all throughout the website. Basically comes down to articles. That's what most people do. If they do affiliate marketing on a website, it's just a lot of articles, because what happens is you do your keyword research and around certain keywords, and people do like a search in Google, like best fishing pole for, fishing in the streams, or like whatever it is. You're gonna come across articles that people have written, and in those articles are gonna be those affiliate links. And so the more articles that you have out there, the more searches people are doing on that topic across your whole niche, then that's just more, basically consider it like hooks in the water. Actually consider it that way. So every article or every video you do and you cast it out there, that's one more hook out there, right? And so you just put out as many of those hooks as you can all across the internet, everywhere you can. People are going to eventually start finding those pages or those hooks, to say, so to speak, and start clicking those links, and eventually those commissions will start coming in, and you can kind of scale and get bigger from there. More articles, more videos, more links getting out there. So this game is really about growing your content to include more links out there. And then also, when it comes to the marketing side of things, you really want to grow that know, like, and trust factor. So that's where videos come in. If people really, they see you, they like you, they trust you, they're going to click your link and buy the products you recommend. So that's kind of how this whole affiliate marketing game works. It's not easy, it's a lot of work, but this is a way to make money online. So put in the hard work and it will pay off. So if you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.